Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We got 79,000 miles on the odometer. Now all the flickering going on here, that's just in the camera, that's not in person. You got the original glass here. Still got your sticker there. Alignment on the wheel itself is perfect. It's nice and straight. The interior on this car is absolutely gorgeous. The alignment feels good. Car shifting nice and smooth. Like I said, all that flickering, that's just in camera. That's not in person. Everything in here is really nice. Alignment feels good. I'm gonna hit on the brakes kind of hard. Brakes feel solid, no issues there. Drivability wise, she's perfect. Sounds good, shifts perfect, no complaints. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So I would call this a perfect driver's car. Has a couple flaws, has 2 little accident reports on it. They're both minors, but like I said, this would be perfect for taking to Cars and Coffee and just cruising around, and it looks really, really good. Up close and personal, you're going to see some little flaws, but that's why I say this is a perfect driver's car. Overall, in great condition, but has its flaws. Now this car has had a lot of repaint as well, so it did have an accident report on the back, so of course the back was repainted, the back bumper, and it had an accident report on the driver's side, so a lot of that's been repainted. But the front bumper's been painted, this fender has been painted, that quarter panel, the lower rocker, back bumper, the deck lid is original paint, and it looks like the hood is original paint. So original paint would be the hood, door, and deck lid. Everything else has been repainted at some point in its life, and overall looks really good. You're gonna have some texture and orange peel and little flaws in the paint, but you know, it's just think of it as like a refresh. They refreshed it all to make it look nice and clean. So here on the front right wheel, you have some rash, 245, 35, 19s. Overall in great condition, a couple feet away, looks really good. Get up close. You're gonna see the little flaws over the years, but for the most part, that looks really nice. Pirelli Pizzeros, date code 2023. It's a little bit older. Here on the fender, like I said, you can see some of the repaint. You're gonna see dimples and little texture in there, some orange peel. You're gonna see some trash in the paint, if you can see that. The light kind of reflecting. You have these little dimples. There's a lot of texture right here, if you can see that, from when they didn't spray in here all the way. But you got to be up close to see that. The rest of that looks good. A couple pieces of trash there, but overall looks nice. You got the carbon, nice and clear, looks good. This door looks original. I don't see any trash or dimples in the paint. You have some chips, but for the most part, looks really nice. And then this quarter panel has been painted. So looking in the jam, like I said, they did the lower rocker as well. You have a lot of texture and dimples, these little bubbles and trash in the paint. And then you can see all the texture right here in the jam and the hard tape line right here. And then you can see the hard tape line. And so at some point they painted that, which is not a big deal. You do have a ding right here, a ding here, a ding here. For the most part, the rest of that looks good. You have rash on this wheel as well. Larger spot there. Get up close, you're going to see spider cracking in the clear. See the haziness. May not show up in camera as much, but you can see the texture there. More rash right there. You have a gash in the tire. Date code 2022. Then you have the carbon roof. It does have a yellow hue to it just from over the years, very common with carbon. But like I said, driver's car. She's not perfect when you get super close, but walking around this car 2 feet away, you're probably not going to see any of those flaws. Perfect, like I said, for taking the cars and coffee, just enjoying the car and driving it and not worrying about a couple chips here and there. Hood, you have chips kind of peppered all throughout. Get up close, you're going to see them. Just kind of everywhere. Typical for the miles. Headlight, overall the clarity looks good. Looking at that front bumper, like I said, it's been painted at some point. You're going to have texture and dimples in the paint. You're going to have the orange peel. But I would say the color match is pretty good. That headlight looks nice. Now you have the carbon piece down here. It is chewed up pretty good, and there's a hole in it. So the whole front section's missing. Normal chips down here. You have rash. Same with that carbon piece. Starting to crack and some chunks kind of missing. So on that lower end, that looks like an easy piece to replace though. Overall the fender looks good. Once again, you get up close, you're going to see the orange peel and the overspray all in here. You're going to see dimples like that. You have rash. Daco 2023. Like I said, all of that has been painted. Now the orange peel is a little heavy on this side compared to the other. Carbon looks good. Couple chips, little flaws here and there. If you see that right there, you have trash in the paint, little dimples. I know I overanalyze it, but we always want you to know exactly how this condition is, especially if you can't be here in person. Not saying any of it's necessarily bad. 2022 date code, typical chips. But we always like to disclose stuff that may not be on a Carfax as well. That bumper's been painted, deck lid looks original. Beautiful carbon spoiler. Love all the carbon bits on this car. Tail lights look nice, exhaust tips look good there. You're gonna have little scuffs here, typical flaws. You got some spider cracking right here. That looks good though. Okay, looking at the interior, this is really where it shines. Absolutely gorgeous for the miles. Killer condition, nice and clean, all black leather. Smells awesome. Beautiful, beautiful car. Here on this upper trim, that looks good. Handle area is clean. I love the carbon piece here. A little mark right there. That looks good. Buttons look perfect. Those look nice. That trim looks good. Now here you have some minor scuffs here and there. Jam looks good. Looking at the seat, very little wear, honestly. A couple little scuffs. You're gonna have some wear on the edge. That looks really nice. No wrinkles on that backside. Very little wrinkles here. Steering wheel overall in great condition. Of course, you're gonna have wear over the years, some grime. That can all be kind of cleaned up and spruced up though. Looks good. Nice and clean. You're gonna have some wear on that, some delamination, discoloration over the years. Those buttons though, that looks good. Nice and clean. Typical scuffs on the shifter. That looks good. Beautiful interior. $79,000 miles. Got auto start stop, you can turn that off. The flickering you see here, or any of this, that's just in the camera. That's not in person. That works good. See navigation. Got the nav. Looks good. No lights on the dash. Alright, looking at this door panel, I love the carbon look here. Nice and clean, leather's in great condition, upper section looks good. Not much to pick apart on that door panel. I mean, you have a couple tiny marks, but overall in really, really good condition. Looking at the trim, some fading, some typical flaws. Like I said, if you look in the jam, you're gonna see the trash in the paint, the dimples from that respray. You can feel it, you can feel the hard tape line. Overall, that looks good. Carpets are nice and clean. And this is really where it shines. That seat is in great condition. Very little wear. Typical scuffs from getting in and out here, but for the most part, that's really, really clean. That side of the console, that looks good. Once again, I love the kind of carbon look here. Nice and clean. Upper section, that looks good. Beautiful. Really, really nice. These work perfect. Good. Upper side looks nice. That carpet looks good. Honestly, back here it looks brand new. That's in great condition. That works perfect. In the trunk, you got your window sticker and a trickle charger. Now I'll take pictures of this as well. Looks like some of it's kind of fading there. Overall though, that gives you an idea of some of the features. $75,000 MSRP. Overall, that trunk is in great condition. Of course, you look here, you're going to see the tape line from when they sprayed the quarter panel. Of course, once again, you got to be up close to see any of that. I think they did a good job on the color match. Overall, looks good. Alright, checking out the engine bay. Once again, absolutely gorgeous. Nice and clean. Plastics all look good. Here on the under hood side, great condition.